for conserving animals from the wild, Uganda Wildlife Education Centre conserves birds as well. In this episode of Birds in the Zoo, we are going to look at some of the birds conserved in this place as well as facts about them. Marabou stork. This is also known as the nightmare bird or undertaker bird. It is one of the ugliest creatures in Africa. It has some pretty gross habits too, like scavenging for garbage and wearing its own feces. They have beady eyes in scabby pink faces with huge gullet sacs dangling from their necks. They hide a lot from their fellow birds and humans. The guinea fowl. This is widely distributed throughout southern Africa and was traditionally hunted for sport. People often marvel at these birds with their black-grey bodies, unmistakable, colorful head and featherless crown. They usually form relatively stable flocks of 15 to 40 birds during non-breeding seasons. They are very social birds and walk long distances a day in search of food. Peafowl. It is known as a peacock. There are currently over 100,000 of these birds around the world. The green peacock is considered endangered with less than 30,000 remaining in the wild. Male peafowl is simply referred to as a peacock, whereas the female is called the peahen. These birds are one of the most beautiful in the world, and the male's colorful and very large tail feathers have won the animal admiration the world over. Parrots. These are also known as cetaceans and are birds roughly 398 species in 92 genera, comprising the order Cetaciformes, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. Many parrots are kept as pets, especially macaws, parakeets, and cockatoos. These birds have been popular companions throughout history because they are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musical. They can imitate many sounds, including human speech. The crested crane. Scientifically known as Gibariceps, the crested crane is a bird of national significance to Uganda, occupying a prime position on the country's national flag and coat of arms. These are widely spread in East Africa, especially Uganda, Kenya, and the eastern parts of the Democratic Republic of Congo. The shoebill stork. This is a very large long-legged wading bird. It derives its name from its enormous shoe-shaped bill or beak. Shoebills don't fly very far or very often, but they can fly if they want to, considering they can grow up to 1.5 meters tall and weigh up to 7 kilograms. They are very docile to human and will not threaten, only to stare right back. Ostrich. Ostriches are large flightless birds as well as the heaviest living birds, laying the largest eggs of any living land animal. With the ability to run at 70 kilometers per hour, they are the fastest birds on land. They are farmed worldwide with significant industries in the Philippines and Namibia. In the wild, ostriches live 30 to 40 years, but in captivity, ostriches have been known to live until their 70s. Egyptian goose. The Egyptian goose is a member of the duck, goose, and swan family Anatidae. Native to Africa, this odd goose is popular in zoos and aviaries. Though they are named Egyptian geese, they are not geese but rather shell ducks, which is somewhat an intermediate between geese and ducks. They are predominantly herbivorous, feeding on shoots and seeds of grasses, shoots of flowers and herbs, leaves and aquatic plants as well. Well, there are a lot of birds in the zoo, but we managed to show you those that we felt important for you to know about. See you in the next episode where we'll take you through reptiles in captivity. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Egos TV, EGOS TV. Subscribe and like, share. See you soon.